Kerosene business versus gas business in Nigeria, which one is more profitable? In Nigeria, the demand for cooking fuel remains high as households rely on different energy sources for daily cooking. Two common options used by many families are kerosene and cooking gas. As a result, both kerosene and gas businesses have become popular small-scale investment opportunities. However, entrepreneurs who want to enter this sector often wonder which option is more profitable and sustainable. Understanding the kerosene business. Kerosene has been widely used for cooking and lighting in Nigeria for many years. It is particularly common in low-income households and rural communities where cooking gas may not be easily available. Starting a kerosene business usually involves buying kerosene in bulk from suppliers and selling it in smaller quantities to customers. One advantage of the kerosene business is that it requires relatively small startup capital compared to some other energy businesses. However, kerosene supply can sometimes be inconsistent, and price fluctuations may affect profit margins. Growing popularity of cooking gas. Cooking gas, also known as liquefied petroleum gas (LPG), has become increasingly popular in many Nigerian homes. Many households are switching to gas because it is cleaner, faster, and more efficient for cooking compared to kerosene. Entrepreneurs entering the gas business often sell gas refills, cylinders, and related accessories. Although the startup cost may be higher due to safety requirements and equipment, gas businesses often attract steady demand in urban areas. Profit potential. Both businesses can generate profit, but profitability often depends on location and target customers. Kerosene businesses may perform better in areas where residents rely on small daily fuel purchases. Gas businesses may generate higher long-term demand in urban environments where households prefer faster cooking methods and cleaner energy sources. Safety considerations. Safety is extremely important when handling fuel products. Gas businesses require proper storage systems and safety training to prevent accidents. Kerosene businesses also require careful handling to prevent spills or contamination. Entrepreneurs must follow safety guidelines to protect both customers and their businesses. Market trends. In recent years, many experts have observed a gradual shift toward cooking gas due to its efficiency and environmental benefits. However, kerosene remains important for many households that cannot yet afford full gas setups. This means both businesses can still exist side by side depending on the market environment. Final thoughts. Choosing between kerosene and gas businesses depends on factors such as startup capital, location, and customer demand. Entrepreneurs should carefully study their local market before investing. Understanding community needs and safety requirements can help determine which option offers the best opportunity for long-term success.